Now, two interesting strategies for working abroad as a competition lawyer. Okay, strategy one, and I'll explain why this is going to happen. Okay, this is the standard strategy which M&A lawyers or Indian lawyers have been using for Indian corporate law work, and they go abroad and then they move into a foreign firm. What is that? First thing to keep in mind, okay, that you have to have a 5 to 8 year horizon after graduation to move out of India. Okay, and that starts now, but you won't move tomorrow. Step one is learning competition law, getting great internships in India, performing well. Step two is getting a PPO in an Indian law firm. Step three is working for 2 to 3 years, which is going to enable you to move abroad much more easily. You may obtain an international secondment in some cases. Okay. Yeah. There are firms which have international secondment opportunities. You can move to Singapore or Dubai and work in competition.
In
Okay,
fact, 𝗁𝗏𝗃 Associates, which is a firm in New Delhi, has a relationship, like a partnership kind of a thing, with Linklaters. So a lot of the lawyers have actually worked on those matters, and who have actually done pretty well, have had the opportunity to work on matters over there as well.
So step three, working for 2 to 3 years. Look if you can get an international secondment, not mandatory. Now, step four, after that, you will need to qualify in another country's bar exam. There are two ways to do it. In some cases, you can manage without LLM. In other cases, you need to do the LLM also, because you'll need to take that time, you'll need some credits, and being physically present there allows you to do some offline networking also. If you want to work in India on a remote basis, that is also possible, but a lot of people want to like physically go abroad. If you want to do that, then qualify to in the other country's bar, simultaneously do an LLM there. Okay, but after 3-4 years of experience, your likelihood of getting an LLM will increase. Your money situation will improve because you've been in India and earned money. You may get a scholarship also, because competition comes in the policy side of things. But if you go there as a fresher and do an LLM, the opportunities for freshers are not so good, because you're a foreigner in a country abroad. It is very hard for a recruiter to justify why they're hiring a fresher from India versus a fresher in their own country. But if you have 3-4 years of India experience, then it is very easily justifiable. They'll say this is unique. Okay, so that's why I said 3 years work in India. Okay, qualify in another. This is step four. Step five, while pursuing LLM, continue to build your network over there. Okay, you can work on the side. Now, what do I mean by that? There are rules in different countries which say on a student visa you can work, let's say, 20 hours a week. So intern or work on the side under the student visa. If you are in India, you have no visa issues. You just do remote work and earn, right? To work more, you will need to work from India itself. Step seven, as you build trust and work on more complex matters, obtain an offer to work abroad. So how does this work? You will do this. Okay, so you will do what work you can do there. If you get a job, superb, right? You will stay there, you will stay back. If you don't get a job, you come back to India, do this remote work, continue to build trust. जितने लोगों से offline networking किया, continue to do the work for them. If then you come back here, okay, and you're working with them, someone or the other is going to make you an offer, because you'll be building trust, because you're not goofing around, you know how to do the work, and obtain an offer to work abroad and then move. This is a remix of the traditional strategy that has been used by lawyers with a little bit of remote work experience and the competition angle put in. Strategy two, Indian companies are going international for a very obvious reason. In whether it is in tech or any other space, okay, they are tapping into global markets because it offers them a cost advantage. They can sell in US, earn way more. They can sell in Europe, they can sell in Africa, and they can have their service side in India. There is a talent arbitrage happening there. Okay, talent is the same kind of talent is cheaper to find in India, but the service is more expensive abroad, right? People can pay more there, you can charge more there. Okay, their customers are abroad, but production is in India. There are many examples of this. Soho, Freshdesk. Oyo and Zomato, on the other hand, have properly expanded fully to foreign markets, right? They may have some tech here, but there is some local operations also over there, right? We will see many more companies like this. If you are on Twitter watching Startup Entrepreneurs Talk, you will see that they are all discussing how to move abroad. Okay, and what does this mean? See, an Indian lawyer doesn't go and hire a Indian entrepreneur doesn't go and hire a US lawyer on a US dollar salary. They will have their Indian lawyers move abroad to start with. Okay, first you will remotely work from India, then you will move abroad, right? So how will it work? they will need assistance from in-house counsel. So you get to work as an in-house counsel first in the company. Okay. How do you do this? Step 1 is the same. Learn competition law, get great internships, perform well. Step 2, get a PPO in an Indian law firm or look for jobs in companies. The first one may be more likely. Second one is also possible. Okay. But this step 1, no, get great internships, learn competition law. You will need at least 4 to 5 good internships. 4 to 5 good internships means the journey starts in first year, second half or second year. And if you're starting the journey, then you need a 3 to 4 month head time to learn, right? If I want to learn like table tennis or swimming, I need to and participate in a competition. First, I need to learn. So I need to give myself at least 3 months to learn, right? So, and then I need to perform a few internships, because you do one internship and say, "Arey, job nahi mila," but you did only one internship in competition law. So you have to do this. Your elective may happen in 4th year or 5th year, and you will not learn the practical work. But in 2nd year and 3rd year, how can you do the internship? That's the game. That's the goal here, okay? Because once you get one good internship, do well, you'll get a call back, and then you can also intern somewhere else, get a call back there. So you will have options for yourself in college. Get a PPO in an Indian law firm, or look for jobs in companies, work for 2 to 3 years, whether it is in the company or in the law firm. You may obtain an international secondment. If you're working in a law firm, now you move in-house. If you are in a company, continue where you are. And if it's not a company which is operating internationally, then move to a company which is operating internationally. Help the company with global expansion from India, build your team in India. Travel abroad as and when work requires, or work remotely. If foreign work increases, hire an in-house counsel for India work and move abroad because you're the senior person. 3-year law students start in first year. Every year law student, please start in first year if you're clear that, okay, this sounds interesting. Okay, because why? Because you want to gain as much time as possible on this, right? Jeff Bezos just resigned from Amazon Group CEO. Why did he do that? He wanted to focus on the space and all of that work, climate change work. So you got to focus on something and start early, right? Only Elon Musk was doing that. Some of the other companies are doing that. He also wanted to get in.
Yeah.
So this is strategy 2. 3-year law student, first year is the time to start. 5-year law student, first year and latest, for which you should start learning early. Because why am I saying that? See, all of you, all the time I know, because you say job kab milega, kaise milega, get us job, get us internship. You'll never say get us, you'll never say teach. The first thing that occurs to you is salary, job, security, not teaching, right? Not learning, not the work. So I am also telling you from that only that if you want maximum safety, start the earliest possible. You want safety, right? You want, if your chance is 60%, you want to make it 95, you want to make it 99, you want to make it 100. If you want to do that, you've got to start in first year. What is the problem with that, right? I started working on legal education after 1 year of experience in a law firm. It was technically 10 months. People laughed at me. Doesn't matter.